Mario. Well, Bowser kind of burned my hat.
Not only that, he actually burned all the food too!
No! Not my cookies!
It's alright, Luigi. All we gotta do is get all the food and put it out for your birthday party!
Mamma mia! I forgot to get any more food! No! My birthday is ruined!
Sounds like if you want your party back, you will have to win it back.
Alright, Bowser! Fizzy! We need you!
Alright, it's party time! Ooh, ooh, yeah! Ooh, ooh! Come on, join in! Ooh, ooh, yeah! No, Fizzy! It's diss drop game time! Alright, even better! Time for some Fizzy magic! Fizzy, Wizzy, oh, Fizzy Pop! Alright! Good work, Fizzy! Miss Hands, we need a hand!
Hey, Fizzy and Phoebe! Hey, everyone! It's me, Miss Hands! Happy birthday, Luigi! Wait, why aren't you at your party?
Because they need to win their party back.
Oh, looks like we need to get to work. Time to drop that desk! Woohoo! It landed on the yellow box! Open it, Miss Hands, open it! Alright, Mario, let's find out what's inside the yellow box. Whoa, look at that! It's a party hat for Mario! And one for Phoebe. Oh, I love that pretty pink color. And Fizzy's party hat. Woohoo! All right! Now everyone can wear a party hat to my party! That's right, Luigi. All right, let's see what else is in these boxes. Time to drop that desk.
It landed on the red box! Quick, open it, Miss Hands! Open it!
All right, Phoebe, let's find out what's inside this red box. I can't hear anything, can you? Let's find out. Whoa! Oh, no! Oh, it's some green, sticky, gloopy, wobbly slime! Yuck! Who put that in there?
I think you'll find that'll be me.
Bowser, that's not very nice.
Well, I'm sorry. I just thought Luigi might want to get stuck in.
All right, Bowser, I see what you did there. That was kind of funny, actually. We've got more discs to drop, so it's time to drop that disc. All right, I wonder where it's gonna land this time. Maybe we could get one of these boxes.
Uh-oh, it ran away! Don't worry, I'll get it!
Oh, thanks, Fizzy.
No problem, Miss Hands.
Oh, thank you, Fizzy.
All right, time to drop that desk! Woohoo! It landed on blue, like me! I wonder what's inside.
Time to find out what's inside. Whoa! The blue box! That's super duper noisy. All right, here we go. Oh my goodness! Look! We've got some yummy party snacks. We've got a delicious looking cupcake. And Phoebe, it's your favorite. It's a yummy pink donut. And what's this? A Hey, Luigi! It's your favorite cookies! Alright, cookies! My favorite! The dish drop game is the best! Quick, let's drop that desk! Good idea, Luigi. I wonder where this one's gonna go.
Awesome sauce! It's the orange box! Open it!
That's right, Phoebe. Alright, let's see what's inside this orange box. I can't hear anything. I hope there is something inside. Ooh, that feels strange. What is it? We've got some grapes, a cute watermelon, and oh, look how cute he is. It's a little banana.
Aw, they're so cute!
Whoa, thanks for saving us. We were going bananas in that box. Ah, Mario, the fruit is speaking.
Hey, don't worry! They're super friendly! Come on, Miss Hands, we've got 2 boxes left! Time to drop that desk! Yay! It landed in the green box! Green like Luigi!
That's right, Phoebe. All right, let's find out what's inside. Whoa, this noisy green box. There seems to be lots of different fruit in here. All right, we've got a yummy orange. Phoebe, look, it's your favorite, a strawberry.
I love strawberries! They're my favorite!
I know. And look, we've got some blueberries. That's gonna be delicious. And uh-oh, Mario, there's a mushroom. Oh no, not a mushroom. I hate mushrooms. Ugh. All right, Mario, we've got one more box left. The black box. Here we go. Woohoo! We got the last box! I wonder what's inside! Maybe it's a present! Let's find out, shall we? I can't hear anything. I wonder what's inside. Whoa! We've got some super pretty, sparkly confetti. That's gonna look awesome at your party. And there was something else in here. Whoa! It's a green bendy tube. All right. Oh no! Not a green pipe. I don't want to leave. I don't want to go anywhere else. Don't worry, Luigi. You don't have to go anywhere because it's time to party. Woohoo! All right.
No, you won't party!
But why, Bowser?
Because...
It's because I didn't invite him.
Why not, Luigi?
Well, he always chases us and breathes fire.
I see. I've got it! Bowser, if you promise to leave Mario and Luigi alone, you can come party with us!
But I haven't got a party hat!
Don't worry, we can fix that! Oh, thanks, Miss Hands!
Well, I guess this party hat is kinda nice. The color does complement my skin. Alright, I'll come party with you!
Awesome sauce! It's time to party! Wow!
Yeah! Woohoo! Thanks for watching! We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day! We will see you next time! Come on, Mario! Throw them shapes! Wow! That's awesome! together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bye.